three things that came up from Brader, the election guy, that they were cross-examining. One of them was he had issued a letter to the clerks in Michigan for them to destroy the electronic poll book data. He was questioned on this and asked if that was legal. He was reluctant, but he admitted that it was not. The clerks are required to keep those national federal election information for 22 months, and that includes both electronic and paper. So he did an illegal thing there. Second, the discharge of Clerk Scott from her duties came into question because that's in effect discharging her from her position as clerk. So the question was, is that a violation of how a clerk can be discharged? And only the governor can do that. And he admitted that that's true. So there's some legal issue there as to whether Stefanie should have been discharged from her duties without going through the governor. Third, the issue of, she's been accused of giving out election information by having a third party investigate, do a forensic study. So he was questioned on what that was about and what statute or what law or whatever covered that she did something illegal by having a forensic examination done. There is no statute preventing that. She had every legal right to have a third party investigate those election results. So there was nothing she did there that was, at this point in time, this case hasn't been resolved, but he could not state a legal reason that she could not have a third party investigate those election results. So I think these are pretty important things that came up. Again, the whole case hasn't been finished, but I think the township should consider that they should have been a little more sympathetic to what Stefanie Scott was up to. Maybe been taken a little more interest in exactly what the real law was on what she was doing. It's sad that it's gotten to this point. It's been how many years that this has been hanging over her head and really the township and the county.